In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable workflow that uses Zapier to pass data from Squarespace into ChatGPT so you can automate analysis and responses. Start by heading to your Zapier home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where you can build new automations. Look toward the top of the interface and select Create, then choose Zaps. That opens the Zap editor where every automation starts with a trigger and ends with an action. We'll begin with the trigger. In the trigger panel, click to choose your app and type Squarespace in the search bar. You may see multiple Squarespace options appear. If you select Squarespace Forms first, that's fine. It's often used when you want to react to new form submissions. For this walkthrough, though, we want a trigger when a customer places an order. To get there, return to the Zap Setup view and use the Change option next to the app. Search Squarespace again, and this time pick Squarespace Commerce. This is the version of the app that exposes e-commerce events. With Squarespace Commerce selected, open the Trigger Event menu and choose New Order. That means any new paid order on your Squarespace store will start this Zap. It's perfect for post-purchase automations like tagging, summarizing, or generating follow-up content. Next, open the Account section and click Connect Squarespace Commerce. Zapier will prompt you to sign in. Choose Sign In, complete the authorization, and if you manage multiple sites, be sure to pick the correct store. Grant the requested permissions so Zapier can read new orders. When you're back in the editor, you should see your Squarespace Commerce account listed and ready. Now let's define the action, the part that talks to ChatGPT. Click into the Action panel and search for ChatGPT. Select ChatGPT, OpenAI, from the list of apps. In the Action Event menu, choose Analyze Image Content with Vision, Legacy. This option is designed for scenarios where you need ChatGPT to analyze imagery. Think product photos or uploaded assets, alongside text context. If your use case is text only, you can explore other action events later, but we'll continue with the vision option here so you can see how to wire it up. Open the Account section for ChatGPT, OpenAI, and click Connect. Choose Sign In to authorize Zapier. You'll be guided through a secure sign-in flow, after which Zapier can send data to ChatGPT on your behalf. When the connection succeeds, your ChatGPT account will appear in the drop-down and remain available for future automations. At this point, your Zap has a working trigger from Squarespace Commerce and a connected ChatGPT action. The key benefit of this setup is that it bridges customer activity in your store to AI-powered processing automatically. For example, when the new order trigger fires, the order's details, products, customer selections, or file links can be passed into the ChatGPT step for analysis. This is especially useful if you want standardized insights, image checks, or structured outputs without manual work. A couple of practical tips as you proceed. First, pick the Squarespace app that truly matches your goal. Forms for inquiries and lead captures, commerce for purchases. If you ever choose the wrong one, use the change control you saw earlier to switch. No need to rebuild from scratch. Second, authorization screens may ask you to confirm access for each app. Take a moment to verify you're granting permissions to the correct site and workspace. Third, naming your Zap clearly helps you spot it later, especially once you have multiple automations running. From here, you can continue configuring the fields in your ChatGPT step so it receives exactly the data you want from each new order. When everything looks good, you're ready to finalize and use your automation. That's it. You've connected ChatGPT with Squarespace through Zapier, setting the stage for powerful, hands-off workflows that run the moment a customer buys.